Welcome to Mud Grip Mike's YouTube channel. Just a country boy making videos of trucks, tractors, firearms, four-wheelers. Just having fun underneath the oak tree here. I can't say I'm in the kitchen making videos. My friend Mark Dice already has that honor. Anyway, if you like them, hit that subscribe button or the like button.
Okay, it's recording. What we're doing now, folks, is fixing to drain the crap tank. And we're going to transport the brown matter down and set this whole thing in a hole. I'm just waiting to see what happens when he opens that valve. Okay. He said, here it goes. All right, we got the weight. It's going in the tank. Yeah. Going? Yeah. I'm over here 12 feet away observing. Come watch, man. Come watch. And I'm uphill too, by the way, just in case. If I had the copyright to anticipation, I would be playing it right now. Wow, that didn't last long. Oh, he's got another tank. Okay, I was going to be disappointed. I guess this is tank number 2 coming. 2 tanks. And regardless of what you think, that is the Blackwater tank of this camper. It's been sitting here, I don't know, about 4 months. It has not been empty. We've been up here a few times. We're going to do that, and then we're going to flush it out with the gray water tank because that hose goes way over there. It's a lot further than we would like. It's going. But it only has 2 tanks. Do the tanks, are they separate or so they can each be a different level?
Yes. But now I'm going to rinse out the hose.
Yeah, well, it's slowing down quite a bit. And I guess when you put the gray water in, it starts cleaning pretty good. We can walk that hose out as much as possible.
Yeah, I'm going to do the sink, then I'll do the shower last.
Oh, okay. Well, that looks like that's about done. There is still a little bit coming right there, but not much. Whoa, let's see. Yeah, there's still did you switch?
Sink.
Oh, that's the sink water, okay. Woo.
It's going to be a minute pushing all that out.
Well, I thought that's the one we emptied yesterday.
Yeah, it ain't got a lot in it. But I got to do the shower next. It's got the boat.
Yeah. So you can't get it too full. The tractor will handle the weight, but we don't want to test the bottom of that tank with those nefarious contents in there. Might be more excitement than we want. Uh-oh. He got him a phone call, so my valve man there. Let's see, here he goes. Looks like he's fixing to switch something. I think I'm gonna have to pause it. Most of the excitement is over. He's over there talking. All right, there it goes. You got the other water going now? Okay. It looks like it's cleaning up somewhat right there where it's coming out. Okay, I'm gonna walk the hose out before it stops. All right, bye.